Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Real Public School, and today we are taking class 6th poem, which then the name of the poem is An Information Bureau from your English book Living English. First we are going to see a small animated video regarding the poem, and then we'll understand the poem from here onwards.
An Information Bureau. An Information Bureau, right in our home you will find. Of course, it is our mother, so loving and so kind. For she is the one we go to, a question each one brings. We are sure that she can tell us just where we left our things.
Where is my hat?
That's father, and Jack's mislaid a book. I've lost my specs, calls grandma. Please, will you give a look?
Where is my scarf?
Asks sister,
I left it in the hall.
and Dave comes in demanding,
Where's that new tennis ball? Where are my gloves?
says grandpa,
I need them right away.
I've lost my notebook, mother. I had it yesterday.
An Information Bureau. Yes, really that is so. We always go to mother, and mother seems to know.
So that was the poem, and now we'll look at the poem and then understand it in a more detailed manner. So this is the poem in front of us, in which first of thing which we can very clearly see is that there's this one lady who has a lot of hands, and all the people are standing surrounding her. एक जो लेडी है वो खड़े यहाँ पे जिनके बहुत सारे हाथ है और सारे लोग जो है वो उनको सराउंड करके खड़े हुए हैं. The lady of course is the mother, who is the main head of the family, who knows everything about everybody. किसी को भी कुछ भी चाहिए होता है तो हम किसके पास जाते हैं? Our mother. So an information bureau, and the first line that have been written is whom do you go to when you cannot find something at home? Who helps you find it at your home? Who solves everyone's problem quickly? So the answer to all this question for every one of you is mother. Mother ये कैसे होते हैं जो सारी चीजें उनको पता होती है कि कहाँ रखी हुई है. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो वो उसको एक मिनट में सॉल्व कर देते. दैट इज अ मदर हु कैन डू ऑल दोस थिंग्स. So now we are going to understand the problem properly. Okay. An information bureau. Right in our home, you'll find, of course, it is our mother, so loving, so kind. So first, we'll understand the meaning of information bureau. Information bureau is basically an office जिसके पास हर चीज की इंफॉर्मेशन होती है. एक ऐसा ऑफिस जो आपको हर चीज की इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करता है या देता है. एन ऑफिस which gives you information about everything is known as information bureau. Okay, so what this is talking about is that there's an information bureau who is at right in our home. That there's this information bureau which is available in our homes only, and not only my home or your home, in everybody's home it is available. Of course it's our mother. That who else can it be? It's our mother only, who हमारी मम्मी होती है जो कि information bureau होती है. So loving and so kind. She's so loving towards us and so kind towards us, not only us, towards everybody. Or she's the one we go to a question each one brings. Okay, for she is the one we go to. वो एक ही इंसान है जिसके पास हम जाते हैं. A question each one brings. Whichever person brings a question, the answer and solution is with the mother only. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कुछ भी हो, हम वो सारी लेके किसके पास जाते हैं? मदर के पास ही जाते हैं. We are sure that she can tell us just where we left our things. That we are sure that she can tell us just where we left our things. हमने हमारी चीजें कहाँ छोड़ी है, वो हम एकदम श्योर होते हैं कि वही हमको बता सकते हैं कि हमने हमारी सारी जो चीजें हैं वो कहाँ छोड़ी है. Where's my hat? That's father. And Jack's mislaid a book. Where's my hat? Who's asking this? Father. तो पापा जो है वो ये पूछ रहे हैं where's my hat? पापा को अपनी hat की मिल रही है, वो भी किससे पूछ रहे हैं? मम्मा से. And Jack's mislaid a book. जैक ने जो है वो एक बुक जो है वो जगह पे नहीं रखी है. I've lost my specs, called grandma. Grandma is calling and saying that I've lost my specs. मेरे जो चश्मे हैं वो मैंने कहीं रख दिए हैं. I'm not able to find it. will you give a look? And she's asking mother to find it. Okay, so father is asking for mother's help, Jack is asking for mother's help, and grandmother is also asking for mother's help. Till now, three people are there who are dependent on mother for the things which they need. Then, where's my scarf? Ask sister. I left it in the hall. Okay, then the sister is coming and asking, where's my scarf? Now she's also trying to find her scarf, and to find her scarf, she also has to look for mother because she's only the one person who, and she's telling her also that I left it in the hall yesterday. And Dave comes in demanding, where's that new tennis ball? Then Dave also comes there and he's asking that where's that new tennis ball I bought yesterday or someday back? There was this new tennis ball, where is it? Where are my gloves? Says grandpa. I need them right away. Then grandpa is coming and asking that where are my gloves? I need them right away. Okay? Says grandpa, I need them right away. I've lost my notebook, mother. I had it yesterday. Then another girl is coming or another child is coming and saying कि मेरी notebook जो है वो खो गई है कल तो मेरे पास थी लेकिन आज मेरे पास नहीं है. An information bureau, yes, really, that is so. We always go to mother and mother seems to know. That yes, an information bureau and yes, really, that is so. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ बोलने के लिए है. This is a true fact that she is an information bureau because she knows everything, where everything is kept. She has complete idea about it. We always go to mother and mother seems to know. The biggest thing is that whenever we are not able to find anything, we'll go to our mother. But the most special thing is that she always knows everything. Whether we want our pencil or we want our biggest thing, हमें कपड़े चाहिए या पेंसिल चाहिए, नोटबुक चाहिए, बुक चाहिए, खाना चाहिए, कुछ भी चाहिए. और सिर्फ हमें नहीं, घर में जितने भी मेंबर्स हैं उन सब में से जिसको भी जो भी चाहिए, mother is that one person who knows almost everything. She knows about everything. कौन सी चीज कहाँ पड़ी है, किसको कब क्या चाहिए. So that is the beauty of being a mother. That is what is the most beautiful thing about the mother, that she will never see what she needs, but she will always give us what we need. हमेशा हमारी जो जरूरतों का ख्याल है वो हमारी मम्मा रखते हैं. खुद को क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए उससे कभी भी उनको कोई लेना देना नहीं होता. But she'll always know what the rest of the people of the house needs, and then it becomes our duty also कि हम भी इस चीज का ध्यान रखें कि मम्मा को कब क्या चाहिए. हम उनकी थोड़ी थोड़ी जितनी भी हमसे मदद हो सकती है, हमसे हो सकती नहीं, जितनी करनी हमको चाहिए उतनी की उतनी मदद जो है वो हम उनकी करते रहें, बिकॉज शी इज द वन हु इज अलोन डूइंग एवरीथिंग ऑलवेज. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम उनकी जो मदद है वो हमेशा करते रहें. एंड शी गेट्स द हेल्प शी डिजर्व बिकॉज शी इज रनिंग फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग डूइंग एवरीथिंग फॉर एवरीबडी. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी हेल्प हर इन अ मैनर कि उनका जो काम है वो थोड़ा बहुत कम हो जाए. That was the end of the poem, and I hope that all of you will understand what your mother is doing for you and will also appreciate what she is doing for you. Plus, you will also help what ever help she needs. छोटे छोटे काम भी अगर हम उनके कर देंगे, even if we help her in the smallest chores, that will also become a very big help. Maybe she will not need the help ever, but it is very important that she will be very happy and satisfied with the care will show towards it. उनको वो हेल्प की जरूरत नहीं है. आपका थोड़ा सा काम करने से उनके काम में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन जो हेल्प और केयर हम उनको दिखाएंगे ना, उससे उनको खुशी बहुत ज्यादा मिलेगी. And when somebody is doing so much for us, especially when it is our mother, it becomes our duty कि हम उनके लिए उतना करें. So I hope the chapter was clear to all of you. There were no difficult words I think in the chapter, very basic words. एक नया वर्ड सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन ब्यूरो था, that we have discussed. That was the end of the poem. Thank you.